So you are the CEO of OpenAI, 37 years old. Your company is the maker of ChatGPT, which has taken the world by storm. Why do you think it's captured people's imagination?
I think people really have fun with it, and they see the possibility, and they see the ways this can help them, this can inspire them, this can help people create, help people learn, help people do all these different tasks.
You've heard of Siri, right?
Of course!
The friendly voice that lives in your iPhone and helps you with all kinds of tasks.
Hey Siri, give me a Lyft ride to LAX.
Lyft can get you a lift in 60 seconds.
But what if Siri could also chat with you like a real person?
That'd be cool. That would be.
Make you laugh with jokes and inspire you with stories and pictures?
I'm helping everyone do their work, and if your name is Rihanna, work, 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 work.
Awesome, right?
Well, guess what?
Tell us.
Apple is secretly working on a new chatbot that can do all that and more.
Really? Really?
But shh, don't tell anyone. It's a top secret project that could change the game of AI chatbots and challenge big names like Bard, Bing, and ChatGPT.
I want to know more.
Stay tuned, because in today's video, I will walk you through Apple's Secretive Chatbot project and how it could challenge the existing players and also make life fun.
Let's get started.
So the project is codenamed Ajax internally, but some engineers within the company colloquially refer to it as Apple GPT.
So they've developed their own underlying framework at Apple called Ajax, and it's also built an internal ChatGPT-like tool for use among its employees that operates very similar to the tools we're seeing from others today.
Summarize text and answer questions based on data it has been trained with.
Why smooth?
Well, the features of the chatbot are similar to those of Bard, Bing, and ChatGPT, as it can generate natural language responses on any topic using a large language model, LLM, AI framework. The team behind the project is led by John Giant-Andrea, Apple's Senior Vice President of Machine Learning and AI Strategy. John joined Apple in 2018 after leading Google's AI division. The project's timeline is unclear, as Apple has not announced any plans to release the chatbot to the public. However, Bloomberg reported that Apple will have a significant AI-related announcement next year.
We've learned that Apple is going all in on LLMs, or large language models. That's the heart of the AI technology that powers ChatGPT, Microsoft Bing AI, Google Bard, and all of these fancy new AI tools we've been hearing about.
The project's budget is also unknown, but Apple is known for investing heavily in research and development, as in 2020 alone. Apple spent over $18.75 billion on research and development, which was 6.3% of its revenue.
That is impressive.
But are there any advantages?
Good question.
Well, the advantages of the chatbot could be that it can provide a more personalized and engaging user experience for Apple customers, as well as enhance Apple's products and services with AI capabilities. For example, in my opinion, the chatbot could improve Siri's functionality, help with AppleCare support, or create new content for Apple TV+. But how does Apple's chatbot work, and what makes it different? Well, let's take a closer look at the technology behind the project and how it compares to Bard, Bing, and ChatGPT. Before we continue, this channel creates exclusive documentary content on innovations, new technology or inventions, and things companies are hiding from you. So if these are things you're excited about, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. So if you want to chat with an AI, you have plenty of options these days. But not all chatbots are created equal. Some are smarter, funnier, or more helpful than others. Some can even show you pictures or tell you where they got their information from. So let's compare Apple's chatbot to the most popular chatbots out there, Bard, Bing, and ChatGPT.
Stay tuned.
Well, all four chatbots use large language models, LLMs, to generate natural language responses on any topic. However, their LMS's type, size, and source differ. Apple's chatbot uses a new technology different from GPT-4 or Lambda, which could give it an edge over its rivals. Bard uses Google's Lambda model, which is trained on Google's vast knowledge base and real-time data.
What are some must-see sites in New Orleans? Bard's going to use Google Search and the Knowledge Graph to find the most relevant images.
Bing and ChatGPT use OpenAI's GPT-4 model, which is trained on a large corpus of text from the web. Bing also has additional features such as generating images. Also, the functionality of the chatbots depends on their LLMs and their access to external information. Apple's chatbot is designed to help Apple employees prototype future features, summarize text, and answer questions based on data it has been trained with. Using Google's data and search engine, Bard can have open-ended conversations on any topic. Bing can also do both things well, accessing Bing's search data and generating images. ChatGPT is best for generating creative content like stories, poems, songs, and jokes. However, ChatGPT also has plugins that allow it to access real-time data from the web. What about user experience? Well, the user experience of the chatbots varies depending on their performance, interface, and availability. Apple's chatbot has yet to be available to the public, so its user experience is unknown. Bard is free for users who join the waitlist and are accepted, but it has a limited interface and often gives less text-heavy responses. Bing is also free for users who are accepted after joining the waitlist, but it has a turn limit for each conversation. ChatGPT's original version is free to users, but ChatGPT Plus costs $20 per month. ChatGPT has a more user-friendly interface and gives more verbose responses. Each of these chatbots has something over the other, but what will be the impact of the chatbot on Apple's products, services, and customers? Will the other chatbot companies react after Apple releases its chatbot to the public?
Let's find out.
Apple's chatbot could be a game changer for its products, services, and customers. Imagine chatting with Siri like a friend, getting help from AppleCare like a pro, or watching new content on Apple TV Plus like a critic. Well, that's what Apple's chatbot could do for you. It could enhance your user experience, functionality, and value of Apple's ecosystem. It could also make you more loyal, satisfied, and happy with Apple.
But wait! There's a catch.
Apple's chatbot could also be a troublemaker for its products, services, and customers.
Really.
Imagine chatting with Siri and finding out she knows too much about you, getting help from AppleCare, and getting wrong or harmful advice.
That's bad.
It could raise privacy, security, bias, and misinformation concerns.
Very true.
But that said, what will be the reaction from the competitors? Well, ChatGPT could react by showcasing its ability to generate human-quality text, which could give it an advantage over Apple's chatbot in terms of natural language generation. Bard? Well, Bard could react by emphasizing its access to Google's data and search engine, which could give it an advantage over Apple's chatbot in terms of information retrieval and question answering. But in all, Apple's chatbot may be a game changer. What do you think? Are you excited or worried about Apple's chatbot? Will it be better or worse than Bard, Bing, and ChatGPT? Well, if you are a fan of AI, then you must hear what experts like Michael Saylor have to say about it. Check out our video on Michael's honest view on AI for more.
Thanks for watching.